Today, I'm going to teach you how to fix webcam issues in Zoom. If your camera isn't showing up during meetings or the video quality looks off, these simple settings adjustments should get everything working smoothly again. First, open the Zoom app on your computer. Once it's launched, you'll need to either join an existing meeting or start a new one. This step is important because it activates Zoom's video settings and allows you to test your camera in real time while making adjustments. Once you're in the meeting, look toward the bottom of your screen where you'll find the meeting controls. Click on Settings, which should be located at the bottom of the interface. This opens up Zoom's configuration panel where you can adjust various features related to your meeting experience. In the right panel that appears, you'll see several options listed. Select Video and Effects from these options. This section is specifically designed for managing everything related to your camera and visual settings during Zoom calls. Next, click on Video within this section. This brings you to the core camera settings where you can control which camera Zoom uses and how it displays your video feed. This is particularly useful if you have multiple cameras connected to your device. Now, navigate to the camera drop-down menu. When you click on it, you'll see a list of all available cameras connected to your computer. This might include your built-in webcam, an external USB camera, or even virtual camera software. Make sure you select the right camera that you want to use for your Zoom meetings. If you've been experiencing issues, sometimes simply switching to a different camera option and then back again can resolve connection problems. While you're in the video settings, you can also enhance your video quality by enabling HD and original ratio. You'll find these options with checkboxes beside their names. Checking the HD box ensures that your camera streams at the highest quality it supports, making your video clearer and more professional looking. The original ratio option maintains your camera's native aspect ratio, preventing any stretching or distortion of your image. And that's it. You've successfully adjusted your Zoom camera settings to fix any webcam issues. Your camera should now be working properly with the quality settings you prefer. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.